If you're planning to remodel your kitchen, this guide will walk you through the entire process from the very beginning to the final day of completion. I'll explain every step in a clear and simple way, and I'll also share a realistic timeline so you know exactly what to expect. Step 1. Planning, vision, and budgeting. Timeline: 1 to 2 weeks. Every kitchen remodel begins with planning. This is the stage where you think about what's not working in your current kitchen. Maybe the layout feels too tight, maybe you don't have enough storage, or maybe your kitchen just feels outdated. During planning, you walk through the space with your contractor and discuss your goals. Do you want to open up a wall, add an island, move appliances, change the workflow? Next, you decide on your budget. This includes the cost of labor and an allowance for finishing materials like cabinets, countertops, appliances, flooring, backsplash tile, lighting, and hardware. This is also the time to think about your style: modern, transitional, farmhouse, traditional, or contemporary. The goal of this first step is simple: create a clear vision and a realistic budget before anything else begins. Step 2. Measurements, design, and 3D layouts. Timeline: 1 to 2 weeks. After planning comes the detailed measuring and design phase. Your contractor or designer measures every inch of your kitchen: the walls, ceiling height, windows, doors, plumbing locations, electrical outlets, and anything else that matters for layout. Then, they use those measurements to create a floor plan and 3D renderings so you can see exactly what your new kitchen will look like. During this step, you review design options, cabinet configurations, countertop choices, and layout changes. If something feels off, this is the time to adjust it. The goal here is to have the entire layout approved before any demolition or construction begins. Step 3. Selecting and ordering materials. Timeline: 2 to 6 weeks depending on availability. This step is extremely important because it affects the entire timeline of the remodel. You'll choose your cabinets, countertops, appliances, flooring, backsplash tile, sink, faucet, lighting fixtures, and hardware. Different materials have different lead times. For example, stock cabinets may arrive in 2 to 3 weeks. Semi-custom cabinets usually take around 4 to 6 weeks, and custom cabinets may take 6 to 10 weeks or more. Appliances can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks depending on availability. The main goal during this step is to order everything early, so you avoid delays once the construction phase begins. Step 4. Permits and approvals. Timeline: 1 to 3 months. If your project includes plumbing changes, electrical work, moving walls, or any structural work, then permits will be required. Your contractor applies for the necessary building, plumbing, electrical, and mechanical permits and schedules inspections. The goal here is to get official approval so the work can be completed safely and legally. Step 5. Demolition. Removing the old kitchen. Once all permits are approved, the construction can begin. The first phase is demolition, which typically takes 1 to 4 days, depending on the size of the kitchen and the scope of work. Now the real work begins. Demolition involves removing everything that won't be part of the new kitchen. This includes old cabinets, countertops, flooring, appliances, backsplash, outdated lighting, and sometimes drywall. All debris is packed, hauled away, and the workspace is cleaned. By the end of demolition, your kitchen is a blank canvas ready for rebuilding. Step 6. Structural changes, if needed. Timeline: 1 to 2 weeks. If your remodel involves removing a wall, expanding an opening, building a new wall, or changing the structure of the space, this happens right after demolition. A structural engineer may be involved to ensure everything is safe and code compliant. The goal here is to shape the skeleton of your new kitchen layout. Step 7. Rough plumbing, electrical, and HVAC work. Timeline: 2 to 4 weeks. This is the hidden but critical stage. Plumbers come in to move or add water lines, drain lines, and gas lines for stoves or ovens. Electricians reroute wiring, add dedicated circuits for new appliances, install recessed lighting, add under-cabinet lights, and update switches and outlets. HVAC technicians adjust or relocate vents or air returns if needed. This step makes sure your kitchen functions safely and meets today's building codes. Step 8, rough inspections. Timeline, 1 to 5 days. Once the rough work is complete, the county or city inspector visits the site to check plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and any structural changes. The project continues only after these inspections are approved. Step 9, drywall installation and finishing. Timeline, 2 to 5 days. Now the kitchen starts taking shape again. Drywall is installed, seams are taped, multiple layers of joint compound are applied, everything is sanded smooth, and finally the walls are primed. This creates a clean, fresh surface for painting. Step 10, painting. Timeline, 2 to 4 days. The walls and ceiling are painted, sometimes just the first coat is applied now, and final touch-ups happen later. Step 11, flooring installation. Timeline, 2 to 4 days. Flooring goes in next. The timeline depends on the material. Tile flooring takes 2 to 3 days, including grout. Luxury vinyl plank takes about 1 day. Hardwood flooring can take 2 to 4 days, depending on finishing. This step gives the kitchen its foundation and sets the tone for the entire space. Step 12, cabinet installation. Timeline, 2 to 4 days. This is one of the most important stages. Cabinet installers carefully level, secure, and align each cabinet box. The island is installed, doors and drawers are adjusted, and trim or filler pieces are added for a perfect fit. This must be done with precision because the next steps depend on it. Step 13, countertop template and installation. Timeline, 7 to 14 days. Once the cabinets are fully installed, the countertop company comes to measure the exact dimensions of your kitchen. This is called templating. After templating, the stone is cut in the fabrication shop. This takes about 1 to 2 weeks. When fabrication is done, the countertops are installed and the sink is mounted if it's an undermount sink. Step 14, backsplash installation. Timeline, 1 to 3 days. The backsplash tile is installed, grouted, cleaned, and sealed if needed. This step ties together your paint, cabinets, and countertops. Step 15, appliance installation. Timeline, 1 to 3 days. Your appliances are delivered and installed. Refrigerator, oven or cooktop, wall oven, microwave, dishwasher, range hood. Everything is placed, leveled, and connected. Step 16, plumbing and electrical final hookups. Timeline, 2 to 5 days. Plumbers return to install the faucet, garbage disposal, dishwasher connections, and sink drain. Electricians install all light fixtures, under-cabinet LEDs, switch plates, and GFCI outlets. They also test all circuits and make sure everything works properly. Step 17, final inspections. Timeline, 1 to 4 days. An inspector visits one last time to make sure your kitchen meets all local electrical, plumbing, mechanical, and safety codes. After passing inspection, the project is officially approved. Step 18, final touch-ups, deep cleaning, and walkthrough. Timeline, 1 to 3 days. In this final stage, the contractor goes through the kitchen carefully and makes any necessary adjustments. This includes touch-up paint, fixing small details, aligning doors, sealing grout, and cleaning the entire kitchen from top to bottom. After the finishing touches are completed, you and your contractor do a final walkthrough together. This is when you make sure everything looks perfect and works the way it should. Final timeline summary. To give you an idea of how long a kitchen remodel usually takes, a small or simple kitchen remodel, 4 to 7 weeks. A standard kitchen remodel, 6 to 10 weeks. A major kitchen remodel with layout changes, 10 to 14 weeks. A custom high-end kitchen remodel, 12 to 20 weeks. Your exact timeline will depend on design decisions, material lead times, and how much construction is involved. And that's the complete step-by-step process for a full kitchen remodel from start to finish. If you're planning a kitchen renovation in the DC, Maryland, or Northern Virginia area, and if you want a professional team you can trust, feel free to reach out. Call us today at 703-980-3266. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.